Okay, it is Monday, 8:37 a.m. Eastern Time. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. It is another week, and Million Token's been going sideways, I'd say, for a while. February 28th, perhaps. So let's see now. Pull up the thing here. About 2 weeks it's been going sideways. Some new developments. First of all, the Polygon bridge is apparently back up and running now, so you can bridge your tokens from Polygon to Ethereum network now. The fees aren't too bad, especially with fees as low as they are now. So that was an update on my previous channel or broadcast 2 days ago. The bridge was down, but it's up and running now. So, for me, Million Token, I'm still kind of waiting for lower prices. I've been buying on the way down, so I'm just still dollar cost averaging. And because now I'm buying on the Ethereum blockchain, my DCA buys are no larger than they would be if I was just buying on Polygon. And I would be buying more regularly if I was on Polygon. So that's why I'm still kind of waiting for lower prices, at least $5. But again, just like I said in my previous video, I'm looking at Bitcoin and seeing when that might bottom out. I heard that, let's see now, here it is. I think Getio is being closed off to US and citizen investors, right? According to Don D. USA and Canada Getio traders are leaving as they are suspending their accounts and will be removed completely. So I don't know all the information's on this. So I don't know if it's just, if they're going to remove MM. It doesn't sound like it. It sounds like just the regulations and they're kicking off USA and Canada. So that explains why I saw so many Million Token leaving Getio on my last stream. I guess they got the word that, get your funds off or sell them and then get your funds off. It's a shame because that just leaves ZT Global now for the only central exchange if people want to buy Million Token. So that's at 542 right now, 546. On Getio and on that was ZT Global. Getio, the price looks like it's 542 also, and 546 on ZT Global. So Bitcoin, it feels like this is the same thing back in October of 2018, where you had a descending triangle and then you broke down 50%. To me, it kind of feels that way. We're below these two moving averages, how we were back here below the two moving averages. We could kind of go sideways and then break down like I have in this, I'm just speculating here. Come down, hit the moving average here, and then go back up. But if you look at, Million Token on the line graph, descending triangle, we go down 50%, and that's where we are basically right now. If Bitcoin goes down to like 26,000, I don't think Million Token is going to be hovering around $5 or $6. It'll probably go down lower. So just have to be patient and have money on the side to buy the dip, which is what I'm doing right now. Ethereum still in a downward descending channel. No change there. No change with the Ethereum Bitcoin comparison. The altcoins, altcoin cycle. Still looking weak, but still could be a bull flag. We could still see a bounce if we don't have a liquidation event in Bitcoin. Pomp was talking with, I think it was Sinclair, and he was talking about his Ray Dalio book and stuff. And in that particular podcast, he was thinking that could be another liquidation event where kind of like what we had with COVID in March. Where is it? Let me pull that up. So back here, when everybody was scrambling for money back in March 2020, people were just selling anything they can to get the money because they were just, scared because of COVID. That to me is like a liquidation event. We could have another one of those type of events. It could be fears of inflation or war. I don't know what the catalyst would be, but that would trigger crypto to fall, and maybe we could fill that CME gap at $26,000. It would make sense to me. I got an alert that Matic is at like 50% off right now. So if you go from the highs to where we are now, it's 53% off. not bad. I mean, but previous corrections were like 80%, 84, 67, 84%. So, we're at, it could go down lower, but still 50% off is pretty good. So I got an earlier on my phone about that. And this is Binance, Matic versus Bitcoin. Okay, so you take the high to low where we are now. That's a 38% correction compared to Bitcoin. And the stock market still looking really bearish. The last time the stock market was open, we had a bearish engulfing candle. I think I discussed that last time. Let's see what else we have. I think in the UK, they're going to vote to see if they're going to ban possibly proof of work, which would mean Bitcoin and Ethereum. I know Simon Dixon talked about it earlier today. We had
hi everyone, welcome to a new episode.
Crypto Tips talk about it yesterday, and I'll just hit play for a couple of seconds on Simon.
And today, the European Union parliamentarians, members of parliament, will vote today to introduce their new rules for cryptocurrency markets. And one of the most controversial clauses is the potential to ban proof of work as a mechanism for promoting more carbon neutrality and energy efficiency and environment.
Okay, so you could check out his channel for more information, and on Crypto Tips on her channel. He was saying, if kind of like how we have Binance US here in the United States, they might have to have something special for the UK if this goes through. I'm not going to worry about it until we hear what the vote outcome will be. I just can't see how they can ban proof of work because Bitcoin is such an integral part now of investing, even for the institutional money. I know everybody wants to try to be green and everything, but I think they're going to go about it the wrong way. If they ban it and most people are going to just be left behind in the UK if Bitcoin becomes like the best store of value or investment of a lifetime. I mean, you're just like putting your thumb down on your citizens for investing, and I just feel like the governments around the world with the regulations, you're going to just make people work forever. Social Security is being delayed. You get less money. You work longer. It's crazy. So that's that. Hopefully it'll be a nothing burger and it just blows over. But another thing that came up on my YouTube was this guy, Guomo. I heard about him a year ago. I even talked about him in one of my videos a long time ago, because in the early days, I think he was working with some underground people who he helped mine Bitcoin. And he talked a little bit about it in his first interview. You could check it out under Soft White Underbelly channel. And he discussed how much he made in Bitcoins. I think he made 1 or 2 supercomputers just sucking up energy mining Bitcoin in there years ago. Well, they had him back for a follow-up recently. This was dated March 12th, so 2 days ago this was posted. And he talks about how he has over $7 billion worth of Bitcoin, which is like 180,000 Bitcoin, or almost 1% of the supply. So I'll just play a clip from this segment, but you should check out both the videos, part 1 and the follow-up.
Because you could do anything, right? You're wealthy from your Bitcoin.
I'm quite wealthy.
Yeah, so you don't have to work. You could be in Aruba right now for...
I do not have to work if I don't choose to. I have over $7 billion worth of Bitcoin, yes.
So that is just amazing that he has diamond hands to not sell. He probably didn't sell any of it. So, I kind of feel bad that he disclosed this because, I don't want a target to be on his back. But I don't think you want to piss this guy off because he's a hacker and he finds criminals he uses hacking skills for good. So, and he's very, very humble, intelligent. And if anybody was going to get $7 billion, I'm glad it's this guy because I think he definitely deserves it. If you follow his story and how he was bringing up and stuff, he definitely deserves the money. But he must have it over several wallets because I don't see a wallet with 180,000 Bitcoin. But yeah, so that popped up on my radar earlier today, and I'm happy that I came across that. And let's see what else is on my Twitter. If I'm missing anything here, I can't believe the United States is blaming Putin for inflation. That's just crazy. Or high gas prices. It's just because of the money printing. But anyway. So yeah, million tokens going sideways. I'm just kind of being impatient, but overall, I'm doing pretty good. I'm just kind of waiting on the side. If Bitcoin goes down to, let me look at Bitcoin one more time. So we've been watching this play out here between these two white lines. We had, it looks like a breakdown. It could have been a fake out if it kept going back up, but right now it kind of looks like it's coming back down. So, if we come back down to 34,000, it'd be a good time to DCA. I forgot what I said I was going to buy at. 33,000. I'm not even sure yet. I have to see how this plays out and see what the news is in the world. But I'm hoping we come down to at least, 35,000 again. And we'll see what million token does. If people sell like that one whale that sold 1,200 million token. I still kind of regret not buying, but if it get the price below $5, I'll be happy. And the million pool is going back up. It's 325,000 right now in the pool. And the people that are staking recently, a lot of them are coming from Polygon. Now that the Polygon bridge is working, we had a stake here. Like, where was this? Polygon bridge. He had 150 and he staked it. We have a Polygon bridge right here from 10 hours ago, 41. And it looks like he staked it 4 hours ago. And we have 900 Polygon that was moved over 7 days ago and staked it. And that was staked 11 hours ago. So if you have a lot of tokens on Polygon, let me pull up the Polygon real quick and see the holders there. Let's see. I think I had the biggest single wallet because I moved over 4,000 in one transaction. But that doesn't mean I had the most, obviously, if people have multiple wallets. We have 3,000 here. The first one is at the contract. The 3,000, 2,000, 2,000. We got a few, like 10 addresses that have 1,000 or more. Yeah. So if you're on Polygon and you're buying and selling regularly, then that's fine because you need to pay less gas fees. But if you're probably on anywhere on this top 50, you might be better off just to bridge it over while the fees are low and stake it. If you're a hodler, especially because if you're just letting it sit here on Polygon, you're not earning anything really, unless you're providing liquidity. But then that wouldn't show up here in your wallets. So that's something to think about. The volatility I've noticed. Let me pull this up real quick. Define. Okay, so Pancake Swap or the Binance Smart Chain and Polygon, I've noticed have become more volatile. The price is going all over the place. Like if I'll pull up Polygon real quick, I think it went up to $6 recently. I think a lot of that came out from maybe people were moving their million token from Gate.io and just selling them where there was more expensive because the prices were really cheap for a while there. So you can see we had this huge spike up to like $6 on Polygon, which is quite unusual. Even though the liquidity there is kind of low, it's better than Binance Smart Chain. But you're going to see these big spikes. So if you're a trader, it's good for you if you want to trade this, these volatility swings. And there might be some more volatility also. So I'm mainly looking at the Ethereum blockchain because the liquidity is good there and you're not going to get those giant fluctuations in price. So it looks like it's more stable on the Uniswap or the Ethereum blockchain. And let's see what else there is here. I think that about covers it. I just want to let you guys know about the Polygon bridge is up and working again. Check out the YouTube video. I have it linked on my Twitter page for now. I just love this guy's story. I'm so glad he brought him back. And he says he's probably not going to come back again. So he probably wants his privacy. Let's see who's in chat real quick. I see Saunus says, hi, Tim. Nice to see you live. Yes. Bitcoin for Life's in chat. These streams are the only reason why I still hodl MMM. See, Beans is in the chat with the line, and Repro is in the chat also. And check out his YouTube channel. He puts out 1 or 2 a week, I think. And I know he's working on something in the background too, getting something made, I believe, from his last video I saw. I don't see any questions, but yeah, I'm hoping to buy the dip. But if I don't get a chance, then I just hodl what I have. That's my strategy right now. But I think, it's speculation, obviously, but I think I'm still waiting for some cataclysmic liquidation event like we had in COVID, which would really shake out the weak hands. And if I go on the monthly chart here, let me put this on auto real quick. I'd like to see low levels of the RSI back at the monthly at like 45. We could go sideways and then go down. So like we had these low levels here. I'll put a mark like right around there. So we come down to these levels here on the RSI. I can even have it lower. So we're way up here, and I want to come down here. And that could be a once in a lifetime opportunity. Because it only happened, in January 2015, February 2019, and then even in March when we had that COVID, we didn't come down that low. So maybe, down to 49, but we're still up here at 54 or so. So, and maybe it doesn't look like we have much far to go down looking at the chart this way, but when you blow it up, it looks like got this big gap here. It could, I'm just gonna be patient about it. But if we break up and then we continue the bull run like here in 2017, I'll be a happy camper just holding what I got. Beans asked me if I checked online metadata by sublets, new additions to ecosystem. I have not. I did check out the live Discord event for a few minutes. I wish there was more of a YouTube person to talk about that. I just like things spoon-fed to me. I think there was some free NFT giveaways too, and I think his is launching March 20th, if I remember right. So if you want to post in your comment down in my YouTube comment section about the Discord link, or I'm not sure if YouTube allows you to post links, but I know there's a Discord for it, which I'm not in yet. But I guess I need to go to the Discord to find out more information, huh? I just wish there was also more information about this on YouTube. So let's see now. On the weekly for Bitcoin, yeah, it just feels so much like where I'm expecting this big dump here. Because we're going sideways for Bitcoin since mid-January. And we were going sideways for quite a while. Maybe these moving averages come down, we touch it, and then we dump like we did here. So maybe where we are is like right here back in June of 2018, because we're below the moving averages. And even if Bitcoin pumps up, it could go up to like $45,000 or $46,000 before it gets rejected from the moving averages, just like here it did back in October 2018 or July 2018. It went up, hit the moving averages, came down, and then went sideways what seemed like forever. And yeah. Okay, guys, I think that is about it. I'm going to wrap it up. Check out the YouTube videos, and we'll find out what's going to go on with the UK when they're done voting, I guess. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Oh, if you like this comment stuff, give me a like, subscribe, comment down below, and share. Thanks.